You guys know that I love maple bacon donuts. So here in White Plains, there's a place called Duck Donuts and they have maple bacon. So I thought I would try it. So check out these beauties. They make them by hand to order. So instead of them sitting there, I order and they prepare them. So let's try this thing out. Ooh, they're so hot. Everything I needed them to be. This is gonna be a regular stop here. Can you see it, guys? There's the city right there. Yes, the city is, you know, maybe an hour drive, hour train ride away, but it's not really something that we absolutely love to do. However, I do need somebody to take us around and show us, hey, these are the amazing spots. But this week, it's been almost impossible to get anywhere uptown or downtown because the UN conference is here. So we're really trying to avoid the city area. So we are in Terrytown. Beautiful bridge, and we're gonna just check this area out. Most of the adventures that we really enjoy have to do with being outside, nature, things where we can just get out and stretch our legs. So we are going to check out this area.
Well, I think, guys, we're gonna have to get the fold-up electric bikes or some type of fold-up bike that we can take with us on the airplane and put back in the cargo bin, because second time in first week we have some e-bikes again that we've rented. We're currently down here by Lake the Hudson, but having a good time.
It's absolutely gorgeous, and if we're gonna keep up this e-bike thing in all the towns that we go to, yeah, we're gonna need the little compact ones, especially before the snow starts to fly.
Exactly.
Last week we were in Hyannis, Massachusetts, and we rode 17 miles on the Cape Cod Rail Trail with our other pilot, Andrew. Say hi to Andrew. At the end of this trail here in Terrytown, we came across this beautiful 9/11 memorial. It's actually a sundial. Markers in the ground pay tribute to those who were affected on that terrible day. It's been a beautiful day here in New York, but tomorrow it's time to get back on the airplane and continue these travels.
Hey guys, from the airplane.
How are you?
Oh my gosh, guys, it has been quite a while since we have done one of these videos, but we have a little bit of an update for you. No, it's not a baby.
No. One day, not yet.
Day. So Eric's been with this company for the last year, and for the last 6 to 8 months or so, I've just been doing contract work on the airplane as a flight attendant. But about 3 weeks ago, got a phone call asking, hey, will you be the full-time flight attendant for this airplane?
So she is now on my airplane full-time, which is really nice. It makes it so much better when you're on the road for, you know, if there's a lengthy period of time or whatever, it makes it that much better when you have somebody with you that can go out and do things with you, and you know.
So this trip is 9 days long, so no more, you know, having to spend 9 days apart or these long periods of time apart. Wherever he goes, basically, I go.
Yep, and it's really not, like I said, it's just really nice. So we're both really excited about that. It's been a long time.
Yeah.
So we've always been wanting to spend more time with each other on the road, and this is a great opportunity to do so.
So we will have so many more videos coming your way.
Yep. Stand by.
Stand by.
All right.